Like when Avery's gonna be like, protect the president because she does not know. I don't. No, it's like there's
Get
so
down,
many new
Mr.
killers out
President.
now.
Please, bro, give me a lawnmower.
A lawnmower for what?
What?
Why does she want
Give me a
lawnmower?
lawnmower, please!
Please, dear God, give me a lawnmower.
It's all I want for Christmas. You go to loadout,
Loadout,
hover over the 4 things and tell us what they
Oh
Re-
are.
my God, guys,
Silence?
I've been accepted into the
Dark Sense,
resilience.
Kind Red, and Lithe.
Kind
I think you
red.
didn't pronounce any of those correct.
Kind red.
No, I'm sorry, just the first one. Re-silence.
No,
I'm
life
pretty
is
sure
the
that was
only one she
Kindred.
pronounced right.
Yo,
Life.
wait, nah. Fuck
Oh,
Kindred.
yeah,
I
life.
want kind red.
For real, we want some kind red.
Get that.
Don't do that.
No.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
He's
god, oh my
right
god,
there.
oh my god, 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 oh my god.
Avery, where'd you go?
There, she's in the middle.
Come here,
Never
come
mind,
here,
she's
come
not in the middle anymore. She's just running around in circles. She's behind you, Megan.
We both get into
Love
that
you.
contest.
You did pretty decent, Avery.
Yeah.
Yeah!
You did a whole generator.
Thanks, mommy.
To be fair, if you
Megan.
didn't laugh, real Slim
Do you
Shady.
guys want to hear me rap the real Slim Shady right now?
No, not at all.
Yes,
But,
of
maybe-
course.
God,
I have
Yo,
no
act like you never
else
seen
to
a white
do my
person
day.
before. Yeah, but he's so cute though.
Is he?
No.
Why is he so
No.
white?
Are you sure about that? Well, because like Rachel
we saw a
went
musical.
missing for not missing. Went
Rachel went missing? Oh my God. Rachel went missing.
She's gone.
No.
She's been gone for a few days.
Rachel went on a vacation for 2 weeks.
No.
Please. No. Don't hurt me.
I want to start a family before I die.
Josh, you gonna never die. You gonna be immortal.
Man, please. Look, it's good to have dreams, man, but
Josh, the
it's
first
pretty hard out
immortal.
here.
True.
And kid
I want
fly like
squid
paper,
ink.
kid fly like planes.
Can he get out? Like, literally, he's about to make me get racist.
You kind of look like a caterpillar.
I prefer the term
The
slug.
hungry little Makeo.
Shut up. I'm
Josh,
like,
come here. My last dying wish, I want to tell you that I never really did.
never really did, guys.
I just walked through the body.
What do you mean?
That could have been so many things.
For real.
That was actually perfect. I'm kind of glad I did. Kick him
Can
out.
Evan shut up? No, don't hit me up, but we should play a role. Actually, you can't hit me up if your name is Avery.
Hi.
Never mind. You can hit me up if your name is Megan.
Hey.
Never mind. You can hit me up if your name is Never mind. No one.